Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the daytime running lights, also known as DRL lights on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Guys, stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. Please guys, do not waste your money until you watch that video. It could be simple fix. You may not even need to check any fuses. We'll talk about that. By the way, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the daytime running lights, also known as DRL lights, guys, before you start checking even fuses, under the menu settings on the dash you can turn them on and off. So guys, if you have problems with them, you can solve it there. Please check your settings. It's super easy. There are multiple videos that will teach you how to turn on and off DRL lights on Mercedes W205. But the fuses and the relays, where you can expect to find them, quick advice from us. 9 out of 10 owners do not know that we have up to 6 hidden different fuse boxes. Guys, we made a video that can save you thousands of dollars. Check it out. It's on our YouTube channel. That's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram video that can save you a lot of money, guys. What we need to do specifically now, we need to go ahead and open the hood. And when you open the hood facing the engine, on the driver's side here, you see that plastic trim. It attaches with one clip here, that turning knob. You turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise. You have one in the back. Lift that cover, and underneath you have one white box with a black lid. That black lid attaches with two bolts with that you need to remove with a torque tool. And underneath, guys, you're going to find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Guys, here we need to check up to 3 different components. We'll explain what else you need to do. And the first fuse that you need to check is fuse 108. Some models may have this one right here. If you don't have it, don't freak out. You need to check fuse 110 right here. Very important fuse. And then you need to check one more fuse, which is known as fuse 128 right here, guys. Okay, that 15M fuse right here. You need to, yeah, that one right here. You need to check, guys. So now, guys, okay, let's talk about that now. We check these fuses. Okay, what about the relays? The relay function for the headlights, DRLs, most likely it's controlled by the front SAM module, SAM module. So if you still have problems with them, you check fuses, you check the settings on the dash, you still have problems, check fuses and relays for the front SAM module, SAM module. We'll have the video on the channel for any of you needing help with that. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.